Force concerning the 2024 UTME notification slip that is ready for printing, and the warnings we want to give to our candidates and the general public concerning certain developments that are so worrisome to us. The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAMB, and the Nigeria Police Force, NPF, hereby bring to the attention of the public the ongoing printing of the 2024 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, notification slip, which contains vital information such as the date, venue, and time of candidates' examinations. Unfortunately, the emergence of several fake websites created by unscrupulous individuals with the intention of misleading candidates has been observed, necessitating this joint press briefing. These fake sites are designed to deceive innocent candidates into providing personal details such as registration numbers, email addresses, and phone numbers. These details are then exploited for malicious purposes. Both JAMB and the Nigeria Police Force condemn these fraudulent activities and hereby reiterate their readiness to safeguard the interests of candidates and maintain the integrity of the examination process. We urge parents, guardians, and all stakeholders to ensure that candidates print their UTME notification slips only from the board's approved website, www.jamb.gov.ng. I repeat, www.jamb.gov.ng. Candidates can print their slips from the comfort of their homes or visit any of the over 700 accredited computer-based test CBT centers nationwide. It is important to note that you are familiar with the tactics employed by these fraudsters, especially during the annual assessment and admission exercises. We are actively sensitizing candidates and the public about these deceptive practices. Any candidates who visit these fake sites will definitely have unreliable information and thereby miss out in the forthcoming exams. Candidates are advised to print their UTME notification slips before Friday, 19th April 2024, to access vital information about their examinations. Any website other than the JAMB website, that is www.jamb.gov.ng, offering UTME slip printing services is fake and designed to defraud candidates. Candidates should also be aware of sites offering live questions and answers, as they are false and deceptive, and accessing such materials is prohibited. The 2024 UTME is scheduled to commence on Friday, 19th February 2024 and end on Monday, 29th April 2024. We call on parents, guardians, and the general public to join hands in fostering a culture of integrity and compliance with established guidelines. Together, we can nurture a generation of upright and law-abiding leaders by discouraging fraudulent practices and desperation. Furthermore, JAMB is partnering with Nigeria Police Force National Cyber Crime Center to address online scam-related issues seamlessly. We assure candidates and the public of our firm dedication to ensuring a fair and transparent examination process. In addition, the Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Kayode Adeolu-Egbetukun, PhD, MPM, has ordered the Nigeria Police National Cyber Crime Center to go after scammers and fraudsters who engage in cyber-related crimes and create phishing site supporters and cause them to face the full wrath of the law. That is the message from the Nigeria Police Force, and I think the PRO JAMB will say some things and clarify.
Our teaming candidates are not defrauded. We'll continue to play our own role as a regulator. We'll continue to ensure that these candidates who have expressed their interest in registering for this exercise are not misled. What these people want to do, this is their season. And we are urging candidates to note that once you receive any unsolicited message, know that it is fraud, it is a scam. We have liberalized our processes. We have offices in all the 36 states of the Federation, including Abuja. Once you have any challenge, you can also raise a ticket. We have a ticketing platform where your questions will be attended to within 24 hours. Please don't patronize any fake site. We have raised a team that is equally visiting some of these sites. Once your number is found there to have patronized them, you will be disqualified from partaking in the exercise. Thank you very much. And I'm partnering with the MPF NCCC. And that is one of the rules. I wouldn't want to go into details, these are security issues. But I believe they will do much more than what you're asking for. We are doing that. We are far ahead of them. You know, I keep saying that if the bird has learned to fly without pitching, the hunter should learn to shoot without missing.